Hey, all I'm saying is, if you are struggling in life and you gotta steal Totoro bags out of cars, then, man, you must be living a sad life.
That's me and that's Micah. While we were eating dinner, someone broke into Micah's car. So this is us trying some snacks while we wait for the police to come.
When I found it broken, I was freaking out, man. I was freaking out.
He reacted so calmly though. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. It's tamarind. This is low key. I picked it. I think it's good. Ooh, that's a big piece. Cheers.
What the hell? Dora! That's not okay.
Okay, your turn.
So this is what I picked from 99 Ranch. I was looking for umeboshi, and this is what I ended up getting. It's like a dried plum. Cheers.
It's my first time.
This is actually good. Really sour.
It's really salty.
It's really good.
Shit.
The saltiness is like burning my tongue.
It says
Do you need the whole thing?
there's a seed inside, right? There's seeds outside. It's better than the first one.
No, that's a no for me, dog. What's it called?
This? Tofu snack. Can't
This
eat
shit
it.
is, I don't like it.
Where'd it go?
Aftertaste. I threw that bitch out. I couldn't.
Wasting food.
You threw the tamarind out.
Ugh.
Might be a texture thing for me.
It smells like you shouldn't be eating this. Alright, here goes. Not bad. If you're Japanese, it tastes like, I mean, it doesn't taste, it is inari. Like inari sushi.
So Micah's half black and half Japanese.
That's another fucking police officer.
So 3 police cars have
4.
passed by. 4!
Can y'all see this back here?
Yeah, they busted.
It's fucking hanging.
Yeah.
And glass is all over my backseat. This is why don't buy a brand new car.
Brand new car, 2019 Acura TILX.
Not that rich. Can't afford TLX. So this is Oji Chama, like the Prince tea. We're gonna give this a shot. I've never had this or seen this in my life until today.
Double package, you know, very Japanese like. They're such high quality shit.
It's triple package. Look. It seems to be me dang proof.
I just wanna look good for you, good.
Wow, it's actually a big one.
One for you. Don't eat it.
Wow,
Wow, it looks like a mochi.
mochi.
Okay, kanpai.
Red bean. Is it red bean paste? Are you allergic to anything? Are you sure?
I can't eat this one.
Why? Are you allergic? Why?
I don't like it.
Oh, I thought you were allergic. You scared me.
I don't
So-
like anko. It's like red bean.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought you liked red bean.
I like beans, it's just not sweet.
I can tolerate this, but
So
I
she's
wouldn't buy
gonna
it again.
eat the rest of these. I started gagging because there was a chalky matcha flavor,
Matcha powder. This
Powder?
is like matcha powder dust on top of it.
and I felt like I was choking. I shouldn't have put it all in my mouth. It should have been like her, just like.
Man's all in, or he's not in at all.
These are gonna be good. It's durian milk candy.
I've never had it before.
It's in Chinese. I have no idea what it says. All right, well, we'll give it a shot.
If you're not Asian, I feel like you'll be shocked.
Holy
Ooh,
jeez!
shocked.
Holy jeez! I fucking opened this, and then my car is like.
I know, it hit me too.
But yeah, so someone broke into my car, and they left all this shit. The nasty ass. Stole the beer, the mogu mogu, and some other stuff like karapiko, all that.
The drinks. They sold all the drinks, and then they also took the natto.
The natto. Oh my god! Like, why? Who steals natto? All right, here goes. in the beginning, I could still taste the smell of the durian, but now it's finally coming through the flavor. It's like a really hard ass haichu that's been sitting out for days when you open up the wrapper and just sip the candy out.
How do you like it though?
Because Japanese.
Oh, really?
It's not bad. I wouldn't eat another one.
I'll eat the tamarind. That's the only thing I would eat again.
That's the worst thing here.
No, this shit was the nastiest thing.
This is really good.
Do you want to give your ad on social media?
I'm not trying to get killed out here. They're gonna, you know, I might be walking on the streets and be like, oh, you're that meat ain't that was talking shit about my favorite durian snack or
Yeah.
whatever.
Don't hate. Never hate, right?
We're just being
You know,
honest.
these snacks are just not